everyone, it's Dara from the Whole Pet Grooming Academy here to tell you about the Scholar Lounge, the professional home for groomers who are ready to learn, lead, and rise above everyone else. Most grooming conversations happen in poorly run and extremely overcrowded Facebook groups, which were built and designed for scrolling, not for professional growth. The Scholar Lounge was designed for a different purpose, to give grooming professionals a true academic-style learning environment where your expertise is respected, conversations are intentional, and your development is something that really matters. Facebook groups, again, were built for socializing. The Scholar Lounge is built for professional evolution. Here's what makes our space different. Inside the lounge, you are not digging through noise to find value. We offer evergreen lessons and resource libraries, cohort-based learning experiences, and skilled building pathways designed for every professional's growth. This isn't a feed, it's a learning environment. You engage in a space that feels more like a modern training academy than a hobby group. Inside, again, you are going to find topic-based discussions, dedicated channels for specializations, quiet spaces for deeper study, and segmented groups so you are always learning at your level. Join thoughtful, career-aligned conversations with private workshops, live classes, mentor hours, automated reminders so you never miss your growth opportunities. This is how modern grooming education should feel. We're a one-stop shop. Instead of bouncing between Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and all those other scattered links, or having multiple video membership libraries, the Scholar Lounge is going to bring this all together with threads and chats, lessons and seminars, events, documents, toolkits. The future of grooming education lives here. If you're ready to step into an environment that treats grooming as a respected, skilled profession, if you want to be part of a community that reflects the modern grooming movement, then the Scholar Lounge is where you belong. This is not just a group. This is your professional home.